Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO RENO12 FS. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Following that, you need to decide which connection way you prefer. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code though, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!